welcome to the channel. Today's video is part of an international collaboration of YouTubers who find old footage and edit it, hopefully making it better, and upload it to the Throwback Thursday playlist. There'll be a list of YouTube creators in the description below, and also at the end of this video there'll be a link to the playlist as well. So please enjoy this video and check out all the other videos on this Throwback Thursday playlist.
Well, okay, soldiers, in your own time. Okay, brilliant, thank you. Brilliant. Give a round of applause. Single shot. That's a jam shot. Doesn't matter if it jams, just go through the safety procedures. Let's jam it again, doesn't matter. Going to go fully automatic on that one. First. In the infancy, these machine pistols, even in World War II, you were knowledge weapons working. It's not a panic. Try that one, sir. Okay, brilliant. That's the end. And a round of applause. 500 metre. 500 metre. Fire! There's the first one in the air. And then they'll reload another. Now you would have a choice of shells. You could have high explosive rounds. You could put flares in the air as well, or even smoke. Okay, it doesn't matter if some don't work. Not every shell works, obviously. It's just a case of going through the procedures and loading another one in. A good mortar crew, say, will get 3 in the air before the first one hits the ground. The advantages of mortars is that it can fire over buildings and trees. Fire! We're going to go, okay, Jaegers, in your own time. And that would fire that rocket right into there. In your own time, sir. When it works, but they say all machine guns in their infancy at this time. And there we go, to the side first from it. Okay, we're going to have another go. Oh, okay. Leave that, we'll give one more go. Okay, we'll leave that. First of the concept. Okay, that's clear ending. And this is the M1 carbine. Semi-automatic, which means you can reload it every time. Okay, excellent. Round of applause. Small caliber weapon, semi-automatic, which is, should give it a burst. Oh, you know time, Sergeant? Major's going to give it a single shot. No, don't encourage it. Okay. Right, that's brilliant. It's been a fantastic audience. Just gives you a little taste of my name's mortar.